4 minus 1 which equals 3. Here 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Okay, then 9 divided by 9 is just equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. So in this expression there is one parenthesis and one multiplication here and one division. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division or this parenthesis, it is wrong. Okay, therefore according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore 9 divided by 3 times 3. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Therefore here there is one division here and one multiplication. Okay, therefore this division has higher priority than this multiplication according to PEMDAS, from left to right. Okay, therefore 9 divided by 3, which equals 3, then times 3. 3 times 3, which equals to 9. This is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem equals 9.